Students, today in our class we are going to study about the subject matter of sociology. Let's start our class. First, we understand the meaning of subject matter. In generally, subject matter means what the subject study or what the subject deals with, or what we can find in a particular subject. Now we understand the meaning of subject matter of sociology. As we know, sociology is one of the youngest social science. Sociology it's study about society, human behavior, social organization, social phenomena, social value, and social institutions. Sociology help us to understand about all these topics, all these stages of human life that we find in society. The subject matter of the sociology is to study the society and human life and the stages that comes in human beings. One of the sociologists, Alex Inkel, in his book What is Sociology? What is Sociology is a book name of Alex Inkel. He has provided a general outline of the field of sociology on which there is a considerable agreement among sociologists. He explains some points, Alex Inkel explains some points about subject matter of sociology. So what are those points means? He explained providing sociological analysis of human culture and society. The major concern of sociology is human society and its culture. He says the main concern of sociology subject is to study human society and its culture. A sociologist seeks to provide an analysis of human society and culture with sociological perspectives. He says the sociologists study human society and culture in a sociological perspective means ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. The next is analyzing the primary units. Sociology has given sufficient attention to the study of primary units of social life. In this area, it is concerned with social acts and social relationship, individual personality, groups of all varieties. Here groups means social groups like community, urban, rural community, tribal community, association, organization. Sociology help us to understand about all these. The next point is studying the nature and function of basic social institutions. Social institutions means, as we know, in social institutions, marriage, caste, see here, social institutions. In this topic, we find caste, religion, family, marriage. Sociology help us to study about all these topics, its effects, its changes, the cause for the changes. All these we can find in sociology. Any social institution is built on the foundation of social institutions means he says the social system, the foundation of the social system is social institutions means for a human being the main foundation is for his life is family, his means kinship, his caste, his religion, and whatever the changes he found in family that affect on human being. All this we study in sociology. Sociology explain about all these topics like family, kinship, religion, and so etc. serve the most important needs of man. Sociology develops deep into the study of the origin and development of structure, function, and challenges of a wide variety of social institutions. I told you that the effects, the changes, the function, the structure of social institutions, all this we find study in sociology. Sociology explain about all these topics. The next point is sociology throw light on the fundamental social process. Human society is neither static nor uniform. It is dynamic and diverse. This dynamic element is in societies reflected by what are known as social process. What are known as social process? Social process. In this, we can find social process. We find cooperation, conflict, accommodation, assimilation. Sociology help us to study about all these topics. Social process, as I told you, and social differentiation, stratification, social control. If it is just social control, we find the informal and formal type of social control. See, it's a social control, formal and informal type of social control. Uh, Social integration, social change. These all we can study in this topic in sociology. We find. So this is the subject matter of sociology. In short, we can understand the circle is itself a society. Society. We can find about all these topics, all the stages of that come in human being life, like social group. If it is the social group, the in group, out group, primary group, secondary group. And what the human being belong to which group, and the effect of the effect of the group on human beings life, and the social institutions, social process, and the next is environment around us, and and socialization, stratification, social control, culture, means all these we can find in society, and sociology help us to understand about these topics that comes in human beings, that we can find in where we can find this means we find in all this society. And so in short we can say, so the subject matter of sociology help to understand about society and human beings, and different stages of human beings, and it define, express it the study of society. The aim of this subject is to study social life, overall the social life of human beings, from starting point to end of the human being, like socialization, the different agencies of socialization, stages of socialization. In short, we can say sociology itself define, express it is a study of society. Aim of this subject is to study social life, and to study different aspects of social life. This is all about the subject matter of sociology. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.